today we're going to learn how to correct mistakes without erasing. So, for example, I'm going to draw a bottle. And I'm going to mess up on purpose. Alright, that's not a very good bottle. It looks more like an oil jug. So, I'm going to fix this, and I can't erase because I have a pen. What we do is we repeat the mistake. So I'm going to draw the other side the way I want, so that matches more. Now this line, I'm going to duplicate over here. Now it looks like I did it on purpose. This isn't quite right. I'm going to work on that a little bit more. I'll make another one over here. And then I will cover this up with some details. There we go. Here's another example. We can turn things into something else. So let's say I'm drawing an elephant and I'm using a pen. That's not too bad. Now I'm going to draw another one. I'm going to mess it up. Let's have the legs going out in odd directions here. Alright, that does not look very good. But instead of scribbling this out, if you scribble it out, I've seen people do this. Let's say a mistake on something. You scribble it out. That's a big neon sign. And it says, I made a mistake. Everyone, look right here. Look at the mistake that I've made and scribbled out. So instead of doing that or starting over or getting frustrated, we're going to cover this up with some detail. Not sure what this is yet, but it will probably be a bush. And there's a weird little head thing. Let's go make some more of those. Here we go. That mistake is now some little tree. You can kind of see the mistakey elephant in there, but for anybody else not looking for a mistake, you've got a perfectly good little tree here. So I've drawn a house. I'm going to make a mistake. Alright, I've made a common mistake here. I've got this sidewalk coming towards me, but it doesn't get bigger as I get closer to me. So it looks like it's kind of going like down instead of at me. So I'm going to show you another way to correct this mistake, and that is to hide it with some texture. Here's the sidewalk as it ought to be, and I'm going to repeat this line. That's all right. What if we just did a lot of little circles in it? This texture is going to hide all of these lines that we made, and it will give us a sense of space because I can start making these bigger as they get close to me. Now, of course, if I do detail like this, I got to make detail on something else also. So we'll put some shingles on the roof. We'll put some sides on the house. We don't have to make them everywhere, just here and there. We'll put some grass. Make the grass a little bigger as it comes towards us. And now we've got this thing fixed. Now, if you want to learn more about this, there's an excellent book where I've got these techniques from. It's called Drawing with Children by Mona Brooks. But there's some very good things about drawing on the right side of the brain, and there's a lot of techniques like this that just show you how to make mistakes and keep on going. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please leave a like and consider subscribing. I have to say thank you to the 6 subscribers I've got so far. Right now there's 7, but one of those is me, so that doesn't really count. I will see you to the next video. Thank you.